So we're going to do another absolute value inequality example. Let's say we have the absolute value of 7y plus 14 minus 5 is less than 30. So if we refer back to our steps, which I'm just going to put these on the screen real quick in case this makes a video, then people can pause and copy down the notes as we have them. Okay, so there's your steps. All right, so if we look at step 1, it says get the absolute value alone. The absolute value is not alone this time. You have to do this first. What would you do? Not distributed. I want to add 5 to the other side. I'm going to add 5 here and add 5 here. Now I have the absolute value all by itself. Now I'm ready for step 2. If you do not do step 1, and there is a step 1 to be done, you're going to get every single question wrong. Don't fall into that trap. Please make sure your absolute value is alone before you do anything else. Now I'm ready for step 2. Rewrite the inequality exactly as you see it, just without the absolute value bars. Well, that's easy. Just like you see it, no bars. The second time you rewrite it, flip the sign, and you take the opposite of the. If this number was already negative, it would become positive. That's it. 7y plus 14, flip that symbol over, now it's a negative 35. And now, that was step 3. Step 4, solve each separately. Okay, we're not going to say anything out loud. Hopefully everybody got as far as I did. That's the end of step 4. Do not say anything out loud. I just want you to think. Step 5 says, determine if your answers support an AND inequality or an OR. So, in order to do that, you ask yourself, are there numbers, can you think of a number that satisfies both of these at the same time? If there aren't any numbers that do that, then it has to be an OR. If there are numbers that satisfy both, then it's an AND. Don't say it out loud, just decide for yourselves. Is this an AND or is this an OR? Did everybody decide? What is it? AND. Yes. There are numbers that are less than 3 that are greater than negative 7 at the same time. 2, 0, negative 4. So when you have decided that it's an AND, guys, I don't really want you writing the answer like this, though it's not wrong. I want you getting in the habit of writing this as one unit. You start with the smallest number, negative 7. Draw your arrows with a 3. That's how you should be getting in the hang of this. Do make sure you can graph that. Should just be a negative 7, 3. They're both open circles, shade in between. Sorry. Okay.